What's going on, Skip? This is Daniel from Josh and Danny SEO. So we're going to take a look at your website, see what's going on, paint by numbers, color your dream. So I do like this. It's in the left corner. Excellent. This is a little unnecessary for it to be up top, all the way on the bottom of the website, and the footer is definitely good for that. Call number, excellent. And it's a click to call, so you're doing very good with that. I would probably put it next to contacts over here. Saves you a lot of space up there, and then have this. Coloring your dream, you could probably put somewhere in the middle over here, so it's kind of neat. Services, drop down menu, excellent. You're doing great. FAQ, sure. Let's see what we got. So top to bottom, I don't like how this keeps following you no matter where you go. It's kind of in the way. But our custom prices are calculated based on painting area and special requests. Excellent. This is not click to call. This is, so good job. Our service is perfect. Okay, so your interior, exterior, commercial, plaster and drywall. You could have added sheetrock. But you do talk a little bit about this. You want to do a little bit more. Like typically, I'll do like I don't know, maybe a paragraph or two for each and every one, just so you know you get the proper content on your website. And then obviously you have Superior Painting Virginia Beach area. You're talking about that discounts. Okay, a lot of seniors, not seniors, but a lot of well, there are seniors, but a lot of veterans over there and military service. Follow us, and then done. Okay, so solid website. There's a lot, I would say, probably about content. Google's very picky on that. They want about 1,500, 2,000 words of content on your homepage in general. So you definitely want to take a look at that, see if you can add that in. I used to do 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 for right outside of Norfolk, right across from what is that college? I forgot what the college is called, but it's across from the Norfolk Military School as well. Anyway, let's take a look at the back end of your business, see what's going on over here. So your UR rating is basically how much Google likes your website link, and it's 12. Your DR rating is 0. And those two links, you want them in the 30s and 40s, typically ratio 1 to 1, and they're basically created with backlinks. Now, you do have 184 backlinks. Now, not all are created equal. Some are more spammy than others, such as, like Wikipedia or BuzzFeed pages. Now, a backlink is where you have your website link somewhere else that somebody can click on, and when it comes back to you, that's called a referring domain. Now, I'm going to assume you have more spammy ones because your DR rating is still 0. Now, you do have 11 keywords. Now, a keyword is what somebody might put in Google so they can find the service they are looking for. So you want to rank for what you think clients or potential clients will put into Google so that you can be seen. So we're going to take a look at what you got going on. So painters, Virginia Beach, excellent. 350 people a month search for that. You're getting no traffic simply because you are not in any position. You're on the third page. You were on the second page, and then you lost somehow. But you're not ranking for anything except for pub painters, Virginia Beach. I don't know what pub painters are, but sure, you're ranking. You get 3 people a month through that. These are really good keywords. Unfortunately, you aren't getting anything because you're not on the front page. People who are not on the front page are not seen. So let's take a look at, maybe some of your competitors, see what's going on over there. So we got Painters Virginia Beach, which is one of the ones you have. And right off the bat, we got an ad for Certa Painters, which is very unnecessary because they're right here. But we got Wade Brothers, Certa Pro, painting by Michael. So this is going to be your biggest competitor, Wade Brothers Painting. The GMB is very important to get because about 30-40% of all people will click on one of these guys. I did not mean to click on that. But see, statistically speaking, bound to happen. But as I go down, I'm now in the organic search area. So this is where anyone can rank as long as they know what they're doing. So we got ourselves the Wade Brothers painting code. They're going to be your main competitors. They do have an okay website, nothing to crow about, but as you can see, all of their services over here can just be one drop-down menu. They have their name and phone number. Should probably add an email in there as well so that they can email you. Call us now, click to call, and then free estimate, and then next step. So Wade Brothers Painting, experienced painters in Virginia Beach. So painters in Virginia Beach is definitely a keyword you would want. And then overall, they're talking about themselves, which is fine. Call now, their testimonials, and then they're done. So not a lot about what it is they're actually offering unless I actually click on that to go somewhere else. So you can definitely beat them when it comes to content. Now, the UR rating is 18, so they're doing pretty good on that one. Again, 30s, 40s. DR rating is 0.3, so that lets me know that their backlinks aren't that great. They're probably pretty spammy, but they do have more than you, which is probably another reason why they're ranking higher. Now, they also have 124 different keywords, so let's take a look at what those are. So let's log back in. Come on, be nice to me. So we're going to look at three different things. We're not only going to look at keyword, we're going to look at the volume, the traffic, and the position that they're in. So Painters Virginia Beach, 350, same as you. They're getting 41, over 10% of those people a month to their website because they're in position 4. Now, oh, by the way, the tool I'm using is Ahrefs. It basically just analyzes all the Google searches from across the United States and the world and lets me know, depending on what variation of words I put in, I can find out exactly what people search for per month. You have exterior painting, Virginia Beach, 100 people a month. He's getting 18 because he's in the second position. So as you can see, it's about 10, 20%, depending on how high you are. The lower, like if you're in like position 5 and all, typically you'll get less than 10%. But these are all buyer intent keywords. The volume is here, and he's getting 10% of the traffic for each and every one. So, that's why he's getting, 122 people. Typically, though, if you have really good organic keywords and you do everything right, you should be getting triple what your organic keywords are. So, or even sometimes 4 times the amount just with the exposure. But how does this help you out, Skip? Honestly, all you got to do is we got to get you content, right? Content on the front page, talking a lot more about your services, go in a little bit more detail, get those keywords in there as well, and make sure it's all relevant content. So you got keywords, you got content, and then last thing, of course, you got backlinks. So you need strong referring domains, strong backlinks, so that you can rank a lot higher for that. And then you'll be fine. Honestly, that's all I got. If you have any questions, Skip, please feel free to reach out. If you have any feedback for me, I would definitely love to know. Other than that, you have an amazing night. Bye.